Hello. Again, a sidecar question. Actually, this was already uploaded, but few people have confused where I am editing that volume mount. Now, in blog, this question is updated, and now first make a scenario. Just copy paste whatever there. You will see that deployment is created. Just get deployment. You will see one deployment, big top app deployment is run. Get pods. One pod is. Now we have to edit that deployment for a sidecar content. So I'm just making this font a little bigger so that you can see. Control L. Now edit and the name of difference. Now you have to go to this file. When I'm making it little, you will find there is no volumes, and this is little trick. So first we have to edit for volumes. You have to go to the template section. Then in the spec section, you have to give the volume. You can search here volume mounts. You can copy this, paste it here, or you can search it here. But we are not specifying any size here, so that we are using that flower bracket. We have to name it. I'm giving it name log. Okay. Now in the container bar, we have to make volume. Below the image name policy here, you can write volumes. Search volume on volume. You need to change the path. Check. You always check volume. After that, two spaces there. So volume, two spaces there. Here in mtdr. Always the indentation is same. Here is also, but we have forget that two spaces. Here the file name is volume mount name is log, and the directory is var log. Then you have to add a sidecar container. Where do you add sidecar container? Just below the termination policy or above the DNS name. Site name is not mentioned in the question, but the question is of sidecar, so we are giving it now. Image is already given in the question. Now command is also given. Just put it in quotes. Don't forget volume mounts. You can copy from here. Just press V. Just escape out of the escape button. Just press escape button. Press V. You are in visual mode. Just Y. Come down. Just P. Just one and press I. Correct. Before saving it into the file, just check your indentation. Your name of the volume mount should be matched. Both this warlog, both mount paths should be, because one is writing into the file and one is reading the file. Now it seems everything is good. Asking, I'm taking it the snapshot. Just press escape. This is edit. Now you can see describe deployments big. Then you can see it here the container first, and this is the container. You can check the pods, 2 out of 2 pods. This is all about it, but don't forget, if volumes you won't see in a question, then please edit it. Otherwise, your deployment can't be edited properly. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. We have a lot of thing here in this channel. Thank you so much.